Kala ko bakit siya nananahimik. Yun pala. Kinuha niya yung cellphone ko. Tapos, ito niya din sa Facebook ko. Merong Superbook. Ayan o. Seryoso yung paano sa kanila Superbook.
Paid for this. Can I compute the cost of the repair kit? Not the kind of payment I'm talking about. Simple. Tap to the train's electrical system and kill the lights in the next apartment. You never know what hit 'em.
Batang Superbook. Pero English. Hindi Tagalog.
Why does Superbook always do that? To keep you from hurting yourself? It appears they have planted some sort of army encampment. Gizmo, do an info scan for a time period and geographical location where the armor would be used.
You're watching Superbook? Huh? Nice? You like it? You like Superbook? Nice Superbook.
You come to me with sword and spear, but I come to you in the name of the Lord of Hosts.
Ano talaga siya na Superbook. Nakakatuwa siya. Seryoso.
Anybody who just happened to own a heart just like
Katuwa
David?
naman si Zack. Katuwa naman ng baby na yan. Watching Superbook. Nice. Oh, nice. Nice. What happened to David?
Oh, I see you're a bunch of soldiers.
That is David and Saul.
That giant lion when he was younger.
Nakakatawa naman si Zack. Watching Superbook. See your hand.
Boy, you just need a good polish.
Let's get back to work.
Yeah, of course, work. Perhaps you could be a bit more specific.
Finish cleaning and packing David's armor for the trip home.
Right. Cleaning. And practice. That is what we do. Cleaning, cleaning, cleaning.
Cleaning, cleaning, cleaning. Cleaning, cleaning, cleaning.
This Easter, from Superbook, I will give them all to you. If you will worship me, God will show you a way out, even when you're tempted.
Satan is tempting him to defy his father.
Not test the Lord your God. Join the Superbook Club and get
Nakaka-proud
Superbook's newest
naman.
episode, Jesus in the Wilderness. And for a limited time, receive the Easter double feature, which includes the Last Supper and his
Nice, Superbook.
Saying thanks. Superbook Club members free streaming for seasons 1, 2, and 3.
Wow, very nice then Superbook. Huh? Nice. Do you want more Superbook? Ah, okay, still not finished.
Men of Israel, we have defeated our enemies once more.
Binaba niya ng alay na siya.
Particular served you well.
Nakakatuwa naman. Ikaw? You love the Superbook? Nandiyan ang Superbook. I borrow your iPad, taking a video, and then you watch it on the phone. Sa mga nagtatanong, siya po ay lalaki. 2 years old na lang po siya.